Hello, and this is Raghavashini, and now we are going to see about half subtractor and full subtractor. Aim of our experiment is to study about half subtractor and full subtractor and to verify its truth table. Apparatus required are given as per the table, and you can see the component specification and number of quantities you need. And the objective of our experiment is, look at the PPT here. What is subtractor? Subtractor is an electronic logical circuit for calculating the difference between two binary numbers, which provides the difference and borrow as out. There are two types of subtractor, half subtractor and full subtractor. Half subtractor. Half subtractor is used for subtracting one single bit binary number from another single binary number. It has two inputs, minimum A and subrahand B, and two outputs, difference D and borrow B out. And here is the truth table, and this is the K-map of the half subtractor and the Boolean expression. From the truth table and the K-map, the Boolean expression of the half adder can be derived as the difference D is equal to A bar B plus A B bar is equal to AB, and borrow out is equal to A bar B. This is the logical circuit. Now I'll do the experiment in online in a website called logical.ly. Logical circuit, which is used for subtracting three single-bit binary numbers, is known as full subtractor. It has three inputs, minuend, subrahand, and the following subrahand, and the two outputs, difference D and the borrow B out. Truth table, and this is the truth table of full subtractor, and this is the K-map of the full subtractor. For borrow and difference, we have two K-maps. K-map minimalization. For the truth table, the difference and borrow will be written as the shown in the PPT. Boolean expression of the K-map. Boolean expression of the full subtractor. From the truth table and K-map minimization, the Boolean expression can be derived as A, B, C, and the borrow is equal to C plus B into C, A. Logical circuit. Now I'll do the experiment in online in a website called logical.ly. And the result is Thus, the combinational circuit for adder subtractor is designed and implemented, and the output is verified.